Begin to find those areas you need to surrender, area you need to confess in your life. You know yourself more than anyone. Because what is about to happen is destined for you to be free. Yes, I am very sure you will be released today. You will begin to count your blessing after this prayer. Tell your neighbor, I will begin to count my blessing after this prayer. Hallelujah. Viewers all over the world, be ready to begin to count your blessing after the prayer. Whatever medium you are using to view us, it is the will of God to bless you. Amen. I say it is the will of God to heal you. Amen.